Okay, we're about to start the 1912 Stearns-Knight sleeve valve engine. This is the very beginning of the process. We're just getting the engine together and getting it running. We've had it running briefly twice, and this will be its third time. There still is no water in the radiator, so we're not going to run it very long. But let's see what we can do. We've got to put a little air pressure in the tank. We don't know if the air pump on the engine's working or not yet. So we get put it on a battery.
Cutout open. That's why it's loud. The cutout's open, that's why.
We got air pressure. It's running on its own power.
Yeah.
And we have oil. Okay, that's enough. We can't keep her going. That's going to get too hot. Wow. I'm impressed.
I'm still recording.
And our smoke level is dying off because we're burning up most of the excess oil that was in the cylinders with the sleeves. But I guess our next, it's really not too hot at all. We'll let it cool off completely and then add some water, and I think it's ready for a nice run in now. But Harold, that should give you something to see. I'm pleased. I hope you are.